I'm Abby.
And I'm Lenka.
And we're Lights, Camera, English.
And today we are going IKEA shopping.
Well, you're going IKEA shopping. I don't need anything. I'm just going IKEA looking.
Oh, right. We'll see. Have some tea.
Thank you. That's nice. I've not seen that before.
Oh, I got it a long time ago from IKEA.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Actually, talking about IKEA, I have a whole list of things I need from IKEA.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I need batteries.
Mm-hmm.
Someone said they are the best.
Okay.
I need bulbs for my IKEA lamp.
Mm-hmm.
I need a salt grinder. I have a pepper grinder and I love it, so I need to get another one for salt. I need cutting boards.
Oh, yeah.
The plastic ones.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
I have wooden cutting boards, but supposedly they are germ beds.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I need plastic cutting boards that I can put into the dishwasher.
Yep.
And then I need a laundry basket.
A laundry basket.
5 things.
5 things. Well, that means we need a trip to IKEA.
Yes, indeed.
I certainly want to go with you.
What do you need?
Oh, no, I don't need anything. I don't go to IKEA because I need anything. I go because I like to walk around their top floor and just imagine myself living in all those beautiful corners of IKEA.
Right, so I'll go shopping, you go looking.
Yes, let's do it. Coming to IKEA?
Let's go!
So, how'd you do?
Here's what I got. My cutting boards. Plastic. Washable. Batteries.
Oh, yes.
2 types.
The best.
Because they are the
The
best.
best.
My salt grinder.
Nice.
That's great. The bulb for my lamp.
Mm-hmm.
And my laundry basket.
Very nice. 5 things.
5 things. Exactly what I needed.
That's good.
What did you get?
Oh, well, let's see. I got some plastic food bags.
Yes.
Because you always need, plastic food bags, like sandwich bags.
That's true.
And I got some IKEA Tupperware. Because
IKEA
you always need
plastic Tupperware.
plastic Tupperware. So
Right.
You always need that. I got some clothes pegs.
Because you always need plastic.
Clothes pegs. Absolutely. You're getting the idea. And I fell in love with these tea towels.
Yeah, they're cute.
They're very cute, and you always
Need cute tea towels.
absolutely
Not plastic this time.
I bought a fitted sheet.
Oh, yeah. That's good.
That's good.
Yeah.
It's good. And then I bought another fitted sheet. You know why?
Because you need
I
two.
always need fitted sheets. It's just a basic life necessity. And then, because I was at IKEA, I bought...
Oh, right. Candles.
Just a couple. And then a couple more.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
That's it?
So I did well. Well, then I...
Right.
I bought
Because you always need a teapot.
Well, I always drink tea, at least.
Well, good job, especially because you didn't really need anything.
I know. But I love IKEA.
So do I. So that was it.
Don't forget to like our video
And subscribe to our channel.
for more great videos.
And if you want to download the transcript
Lesson notes,
or some extra goodies,
then head over to our website.